This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 235BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 4 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Gunstock interior, sleeps 6, awning, stove top burner, microwave, Colorado Detector, oven, Slideout, air conditioning, refrigerator, smoke detector, water heater, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 235BH is 5,462 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.